Finish the dream. This property can grow with your family. And transport, shops and schools are all close by. The home has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And it has lock-up garaging for 2 cars. The kitchen has a dishwasher and ample storage. This home will allow you to bring the family together and can be your base for building the future. It comes with a solar hot water system, as well as an undercover patio area. Add to that a workshop with ample storage. Looking to create your happy place? Ideal lifestyle opportunity to pursue your creativity. Email the agent now to learn more.